Hello you guys, this is King of the Queen or King of my Castle. So recently I went to London and I have bought a few things. I have visited a few shops that are not available in the place where I live. And so I went to Stradivarius, I went to Bershka. I didn't buy anything in Bershka because I didn't like the collections that they had. I went to Pull&Bear. I also visited Primark because the Primark in London has a bigger home section, and yeah, and I would like to show you what I've bought. So let's start with Stradivarius. They sent me an email that they have that teddy bear collection, and girl, if it's about teddy bears, I'm on it because I love teddy bears. So the first t-shirt that I've bought is a pink t-shirt. No, sorry, it's a grey t-shirt, but the teddy bear on it is pink, and at the back they have that. We've got Teddy Bear Club defo, and the cost of that t-shirt was $14.99. The second t-shirt that I've got is a white t-shirt with the pink bunny and a teddy bear, and at the back again you've got do what makes you happy, and the t-shirt was also $14.99. Another t-shirt, that one was, I'm gonna tell you straight away, was $11.99, and that's because it's a crop top. It's a black t-shirt, black crop top with a teddy bear, and on the back you've got better together, and as I said, that was $11.99. And my absolute favorite from this collection, this t-shirt has a teddy bear, but you also have a college t-shirt style at the both sides, and you know, one side is black, the other one is pink, and in between them you've got a teddy bear. I love it. And then I went, as I said, I went to Pull&Bear, and I bought some, because I haven't got a lot of summery t-shirts. Like, I usually have black t-shirts, so I've decided to purchase some more of a summery t-shirt. So in Pull&Bear they had this beautiful t-shirt in the tie-dye style with a Rolling Stones and all the summery colors, literally everything that I love. And the t-shirt was $17.99, so a bit expensive, and it's also oversized t-shirt. So and then another thing I've got, so I've got a bit confused about this t-shirt because I saw that t-shirt on a mannequin, and I'm pretty sure that was on the front, but when you try this t-shirt, that side is the back side, so that is on the that print is on the back, so that's the front. And I don't know what you think, but to me front is a bit boring, and I like having prints at the front. So so I tried it, and you can, because the color in here is pretty much the same. It's pretty much in the same line with the back color. So the front color matches the back color. You can get away with wearing this at the front, like wearing this side as a front side. So that's probably what I'm gonna wear it as, and that was $17.99. The next, I also visited Harrods, and again, MAC has released a new line with Cocoa Friends, and they had some shades that I don't have in my lipsticks collections. They have an orange shades, and I haven't got any orange lipstick, so I decided I'm gonna buy an orange lipstick in MAC from the Cocoa Friends line. I've bought two lipsticks with very similar colors but a different effect. So one of them is matte, which is Powder Kiss, that's how MAC calls their matte lipsticks, and Lustre, which is a bit shimmery. It looks like you've put a lip gloss on your lipstick or a lip balm on your lipstick. So the first one is Times Infinity. No, you're not gonna see it, but I'm just gonna write it down in the description. And this is a Powder Kiss effect. So it's a orange lipsticks. It looks a bit red in camera, but it likes full on orange. And it's a Powder Kiss, which means it's super matte. It's like the mattest, the most matte lipstick you can buy. And another one has a very similar color. It also looks like, when you look at it, it looks red, but it's not. It's orange. And you've got this one, and you can already see that it's shiny. So that is a Lustre effect. And shade is Here's a Hug. And I love the packages. It's lovely pink packages. I will never get rid of them. And on the top of that, when you buy anything from the Coco Friends line, you are being given this lovely bag, and with the bag you are being given a lollipop. So the lollipop looks like this. I think it's really cute personally. Also, so I've been using retinol for some time. So I've bought retinol from the brand called The Ordinary, but I bought it a time ago. I ran out of it now, and now it's the retinol from The Ordinary is not available anywhere online. And I thought basically The Ordinary is not making those products anymore. But when I went to Harrods, next to Kylie Skins, I have found the shelf with The Ordinary products, and guess what I found? The retinol. So firstly, my first product was with because you've got different percentages. So the lowest one is 0.2, then is 0.5, and the highest one is 1%. And the reason why they're so low is because retinol is very irritating. So basically, when you use a retinol, it's preventing you from getting wrinkles. It's also very good for the acne, from what I know. What the producer recommends is to start with the lowest percent. If it doesn't irritate you, then you can move on to highest. But 0.2 is not giving me any irritation whatsoever. Like, my skin literally looks like I was using the regular cream, and I've chosen 1% retinol. After I left Harrods, I went past the shop The Other Stories. The glitters from The Other Stories, or with the top coats with The Other Stories, the effect of glitter is very opaque, so it covers almost all of your nails. It's so strong that I think you could even get away with wearing it by itself without nail varnish underneath it. So I went there, and they had a massive sale on nail varnishes. So I had a few top coats. Let me tell you what it's. So there is a glitter one, but there are also like little pieces of hearts, and I think, yeah, so you've got a top coat with hearts, a blue and pink one, and there is like a glitter amongst them. So that was 50%. And the shade is Wing Jasmine. And another top coat that I have is is one of my favorites. So I had this top coat before, and it's basically a monochrome top coat. So it's basically black and white dots. And it looks amazing on like black shades or black nail varnish, white nail varnish. I also used it on a navy blue nail varnish. And the shade of that is Dye's Monochrome. And it was also 50%. Because I love the glitters, and I also wanted to buy those. How do you say it? It's not a monochrome. What is that effect called? Sorry, I don't remember what that effect is called, but you know, when they reflect in all different colors. And this is Crystal Phantom. And I've got a bit of a darker shade, blue, but it also reflects in purple and pink. And that one is Ocean Dive. The other one is a orange one, but it's like orange that reflects in gold, red, and pink. And that one is Tiger's Eye Bliss. And I've got red one. You see, red one, comparing them to that one is more of a orange and pink. And that one is red. You can see red that reflects into gold, and yeah, just reflect. Those have a bit of a gold reflection. Those nail varnishes, each of them was £3, so not a lot. Then I've got The Other Stories had 2 shades of lip glosses. There was red one and the pink one, and they were also discounted, and they were £4 each. And the last thing from The Other Stories that was also on sale is like I'm big on scrunchies. Like, I love scrunchies, and I also love leather. And guess what I found in The Other Stories? The leather scrunchie. So I love it, and it was, I think, £4. My favorite Primark is the one next to Tottenham Tube Station. I think it's the biggest. I don't know, but I think so, because it's got 3 levels, and their home section is very big. I'm gonna start with the clothes stuff. So I've bought those socks because I really like flames, and I'm really into pink recently, and they look really cool. There are 2 pairs for £2.50. And then I've bought that bag, and I love the style. It's like a rattan style. And that one was discounted to £3. But when I was paying for it at the till, it actually turned out it was £1 only. Bargain. I love it. Also another thing that I bought, so I love that, as I said, it's summer, so I love color. I would love to have more colorful accessories, so I've bought those colorful press-ons. Sorry, no, it's not nail varnish, it's a press-on nails, and it was only £1. And I've used Primark press-ons before, and they're very good quality for the price that you pay. Another thing is, so I've bought the jumper like this, and my favorite part about this jumper is at the back you've got lips. It's actually the sex education line, and it was discounted from £10 to £5, and I love the pink color. I literally love everything about this jumper. The only thing that annoys me is that this jumper is a bit too short, but you know, it's okay. I love everything else about this. So I bought this shirt in Primark last year, but I've ripped the bottom part a little bit, like next to the, you know, like it's a bit ripped in this, around this part of the shirt. And even though I tie it, I'm still worried that it's gonna be visible. So I've bought another one because they had it. You can find the shirt like this in the male section, and it was £9. So it's got lovely color. You've got those ladies that sits on cherries. It's very pin-up style, I would say, and I love it. Another thing, so I went to the home, I think that, oh no, wait, there's one more thing from the cosmetics. So I bought lip exfoliator. I would love to have lip exfoliator. I think I've got one already. Yeah, I do have, from Lush. But I've bought another one because it's watermelon. It was only £1, and you can have it. It's easier to use than the one from Lush, because the one in Lush isn't like in a jar and you need to put your finger in it. So I bought this one. And I think that's it for the clothes in Primark. And I bought that canvas, and it looks gorgeous. And I love the fact that this canvas is not on that, because canvas normally is being sold on those sticks behind, and it looks like an actual canvas. But this one is like a poster canvas, and it has the 2 sticks on the top and the bottom, and it's on a string. And that one was super cheap because it was only £4. Another thing that I bought, so they had testers of those reed diffuser, and it's clean but with white lilac and amber, and I love white flowers, and I used those diffusers in the bathroom. The diffuser was £2.50. I always wanted to buy an hourglass, and I found one in Primark. And what I love about this is that it has that cool stand, and you can put it like this. And it was only £6, and it looks amazing. It looks very expensive. And I saw a similar hourglass in IKEA, but the one in IKEA only was like that. It had no holder for it, so it was just an hourglass, and it was £8. So that one's cheaper, and it comes with a holder. So I think that one's better. Because, you know, it's more steady. If you knock it out, like, it's not going to be so easy to knock off and smash. It's not going to be so easy to smash it. I bought something that my mom has. So this is a flour sifter. So what you do, you put a flour in there, and you do this. You press here, and that's what's happening. And what happens is, you know, when you've got flour and got those little like hard bits in a flour, so that it breaks it down, because that's what you should do. If you do a baking and you put flour in your dough, you should break down those harder bits, because otherwise the flour is not even spread evenly. So I bought this flour sifter, and it's in a pink color. Must have. And that one was £2.50. And the last thing that I bought, and I think it's amazing, it's my favorite thing, I think, from all this shopping, is that beautiful rabbit basket. I love it. I'm in love with it. So I've already got baskets, and I use them to keep my veggies or my fruits, and I put the fruits inside them, and it just looks like, you know, I don't know, it just looks very nice when you've got a proper basket, not like a wire basket. It was quite expensive because it was £8. You can buy cheaper baskets like this, but I think it's because of the style, it was more expensive. It is what it is. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you're gonna have a great day, and I hope I see you soon. Bye.